Hey everyone, this is Bryan Snappy from PIVX, and you're watching another episode of PIVXpress. A bunch of you guys have been asking about the roadmap for PIVX, what's in store, what the developers are working on, and we want to bring that to you. Just as with anything in life, just a little bit of a disclaimer, right? So this is private instant verified transaction, PIVX, this is the roadmap, but like everything in life, things are subject to change. You know that's life, right? So while this is the best intent of what's going on for the roadmap, it's always best to stay informed. Go to pivx.org, see what's coming out, what the roadmap is. If there are any changes, we'll let you know. But for now, this is the current roadmap for PIVX. Hey guys, so first on the roadmap is the zero coin protocol. Some of you have been hearing about this. Again, PIVX will be utilizing this academic vetted protocol. It's called the zero coin protocol in a manner that will require all transactions to participate in it, right? So what this is end up doing is increasing the security and fungibility of PIVX on a whole. It's already underway, so again, we'll be looking for updates from the developers about when that's going to be finalized. All right, the second item on the roadmap, or the big one that's after the zero coin protocol, is what's called CDG, or Community Design Governance. It's being worked on to basically redesign the entire voting and power distribution within PIVX. So what we're essentially doing within PIVX is moving the voting power away from exclusive masternode votes to the entire community. So this is being done in a very thoughtful and structured manner, so stay tuned as that gets implemented. All right, the other big one that people have been asking for is mobile wallets, right? So PIVX is taking steps to develop mobile wallets for various platforms, for iOS, Android, etc. The ultimate goal is to modify the existing work of Matthew Mitchell, who developed the first light staking mobile wallet for Peercoin, and utilize our masternode network to supply the chain bits for the mobile wallet. So basically it'll be a new methodology to hopefully provide you guys with a light mobile wallet that everybody can use. All right, another update on the roadmap that's already underway is updating the core of PIVX to the latest Bitcoin core. So the latest Bitcoin core was released February 23rd, 2016. That's 12.1. PIVX is currently 10.1 with some of the features of 12.1 already integrated in. So we're working to fully go 12.1, and this will allow us to stay in sync with all the new features and functionality of Bitcoin. And those changes, as I said, are already being merged right now. All right, so guess what, guys? It decided to start raining a little bit, so I had to move locations. I'm currently under a little bit of a nice overhang. Still getting kind of a little drizzled on, but it's worth it for you guys. So here's the rest of the roadmap. Next on the roadmap is U2F integration. So PIVX really wants to use U2F integration as another security option for securing your wallets. So this would secure it from keyloggers and hackers. Again, it's usually like a hardware device that you connect in, usually a dongle with a push button. So the menu option for the wallet, we would need it to require easy setup to be able to work with most common U2F USB dongles. All right, so next on the roadmap is I2P network nodes. So currently PIVX is using IP4 and IP6, or IPv4 and IPv6, excuse me, and Tor network nodes. And usually they're running in dual stacks. So there's a need to bring in I2P nodes as another option for PIVX users so that they can connect on the I2P network. All right, another feature that's on the roadmap is a multi-sig escrow system. So what's this useful for? So it's useful for within the wallet. You can create an escrow agreement, right? So if you want to set up an agreement with somebody else, actually within the wallet, you can use it for goods or services and set up that multi-signature escrow agreement. Another feature that's on the roadmap is the multi-sig address control. So we're looking to build a menu tab or an option to easily pull up a window for multi-signature address creation and use. So currently we have it, but the setup requires everything to be done during and using the command line interface, which again is not very friendly for most users. So we're looking to streamline this process to make it much easier to use. Another feature that's on the roadmap is encrypted chat. Encrypted chat. So yeah, we're looking to add a separate panel in the wallet to have an encrypted chat system. And again, it'll allow public and private conversations to go on. I mean, you can think of the uses for that, whether you're doing products and goods and services, setting up escrows. It streamlines the process, all done within the wallet. All right, and last on the roadmap is the elastic block size. So we're actually looking to integrate an elastic block size mechanism. That way blocks can expand or shrink on their own to incorporate the various sizes, and this just makes the blockchain that much more robust. All right, guys, that wraps it up. That's PIVXpress. Again, I'm your host, Bryan, Snappy from PIVX. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week.